In this video, let's see how to schedule voice broadcast campaign. Voice broadcasting delivers pre-recorded messages to multiple phone numbers at once, providing an effective way to share announcements, reminders, or promotional content quickly and efficiently. Now let's see how to create a voice broadcast in Easify. To start, click on Voice Outreach in the navigation bar. Select Voice Broadcast from the drop-down under Voice Outreach. In the Voice Broadcast section, click on Create Voice Broadcast button. Then fill in the details about the campaign. Enter the campaign name in the campaign name field. Select Senders. There are two ways to send a voice broadcast, voice and message. In case of message, select the message option. Enter your message in the message field, and it will be automatically converted into a voice message. In case of voice, select the voice option. Upload a pre-recorded voice message and send it directly to your audience. Select a recipient from the drop-down, then click Continue button. In the Setup IVR section, there are dial codes from 1 to 9. If the user clicks on any dial code from 1 to 8, the call will be connected to the number given. Click the plus icon to add a new option. After adding a setup and then the user clicks on the dial code 1, the number will be connected with the assigned person. If the user clicks on the dial code 9, the number gets unsubscribed. Click the Continue button to proceed with the voice broadcast setup. Click on Schedule for later to schedule the campaign. You can schedule the date and time. Click Confirm to set the date and time for the voice broadcast. In the form, click Start Campaign to initiate the voice broadcast at the scheduled time. In the pop-up, click View All Campaigns to see the list of scheduled campaigns. In the campaign list, click View to see the details of the campaign. Thank you for your time.